Namaskar, I am Dr. Anuda Desai, a Kathak artist from Mumbai, India, having almost 50 years of affair with Kathak, which started at the age of 19 years. I am also a physiotherapist by profession and have a privilege of retiring as head of the Department of Physiotherapy from Bridge Candy Hospital. And now I do a freelance work as a physiotherapist. I got my initial training of Kathak from Shri Indra Kumarji, who was a disciple of Lachu Maharaji of Lucknow Gharana. I took almost 5 years of training from him from year 1970 to 1975. After which I was fortunate to restart my Kathak training, I would say most authentic training of Kathak from my late Guruji Pandit Chandra Prakash Ji Sharma, from the year 1976 to year 2015. Guruji opened the corridors of my mind to constant innovation and creativity that channelized my art form to a divine dancing. Soon my passionate hobby developed into my life's dream, or to be precise, life, and there was no looking back. Even now, at the age of 70 years, I regularly do riyaz tirelessly and religiously. I am the first Kathak dancer who presented Kathak dance in devotional Haveli Sangeet style, or say Kirtan style, in praise of Lord Srinath Ji. I have had the singular privilege and honor of offer my prayers through dance in the historical temple of Dwarka in front of Lord Dwarkadish, who witnessed my divine dancing only the second time, the first one being of Saint Mirabai in the year 1991. I have also had the honor of offering my prayers through dance in front of Lord Srinath Ji at the famous Naldwara temple in Udaipur, Rajasthan. Guruji enabled me to unfold the emotions of awakening, bondage, desire, lament, and divine love through dance. I can say that I have refined dance and culture to a level of spiritual worship. Big performances and divine offering in various holy places of India, like Dwarka, Bet Dwarka, Srinath Ji Temple, Ranchorai Temple at Dakor near Baroda, Gujarat, at Nidhivan in Vrindavan, and at Swami Haridas Samadhi. Public performances I have done at NCPA for Swar Sadhana Samiti, for Haridas Sangeet Sammelan. A few words about my Guruji, Pandit Chandra Prakash Sharma Ji, a legend who pioneered in all three aspects that makes the music or Sangeet complete, that is vocal, instrumental, and dance. Guruji could exhibit all three fields of music with most ease and create ultimate impression on audiences. Apart from being an artist per excellence, he was also a most eminent guru, a teacher who was so patient and painstaking. Guruji hailed from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, got his initial training in Kathak and vocal from Swami Shri Raghuveer Sharan Acharya, who was a saint living in remote area of Vrindavan for about 15 years. Later, for a couple of years, he was groomed by Shri Shambhu Maharaj Ji of Lucknow Gharana to be a finer exponent of Kathak. Guruji got his vigorous training in tabla from great tabla exponent Shri Shamta Prasad Ji, at his finer expressions of music from Shri Bishamdev Bedi Ji, who was one of the gurus of Sarod exponent late Srimati Zareen Daruwala Sharma. Guruji performed in major classical music festivals across the globe. He blended diverse specialities of each of Lucknow, Banaras and Jaipur Gharana, all three schools of Kathak, into an individual style which had tremendous aesthetic appeal. Guruji is known for his innovative, intricate and original work, which has been acclaimed by audiences over the years. Guruji's mastery over Kathak and tabla, characterized by precision and mathematical brilliance, is matchless. He has been outstandingly different in all of his compositions, which were all acclaimed and acknowledged. I would like to thank Tanmay Mistry, who is disciple of Pandit Sudhir Nayak ji from Mumbai, for his beautiful nagmas. And last but not the least, a big thank you to Ashish Raghwani, disciple of Pandit Mahendra Parihar ji from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and Shri Mridang Raj ji from Mumbai. Ashish, born and brought up in Jodhpur, belongs from a musical family in Jodhpur. Ashish has been helping me since 4 years to continue with my Kathak journey, even at the age of 70 years. His crisp accompaniment has been motivating me to dance till no limits, no boundaries. His dedicated efforts encourage me to present this invaluable production, and without his help, this wouldn't have been possible. Ashish shares equal credits for this presentation and is very much even the part of this. He would be helping me in reciting some of my compositions as well. It's a joint effort of mine and Ashish, and I can't thank Ashish enough for this selfless work. This will be useful to all the beginners, senior students, performers, teachers, and even music listeners. The aim of this production is to spread the exclusive compositions of Guruji and make use of them. However, integrity demands that Guruji's name should be mentioned whenever his compositions are used. Lastly, I hope you will excuse me for the mistakes. In this video cum audio, I will be presenting or reciting or say doing padant of my Guruji's most important compositions and exclusive compositions, which I learnt from him at a junior and a senior level.